Who was the political guru of Gandhiji? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. What is the major ingredient of leather? Collagen. Dog bite can cause rabies. Which other animals can also cause rabies? Bat. Which non-metals is not a poor conductor of electricity? Selenium. Which crop are grown mainly in the irrigated areas during Zaid? Moong and urad. What is the meaning of epigraphy? The study of inscriptions. All acids contain which element? Hydrogen. Which local wind is not characteristically hot and dry? Mistral. Which is the junction point of the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats of India? Nilagiri Hills. Which animal belongs to the family in which panda belongs? Bear. When is the World Biodiversity Day celebrated annually? 5th June. Where is the headquarters of World Trade Organization? Geneva. 1 horsepower is equal to how many watts? 746 watts. Which place has the longest day and the shortest night on 22nd December? Melbourne. Where was the first Indian university opened in 1857? Calcutta. Which is the world's longest river? Nile. What is the phenomenon of mirage? Internal reflection. Which is the gas used to extinguish fire? Carbon dioxide. What is the title of A.P.J. Abdul Kalam's autobiography? Wings of Fire. Which lake has been formed due to tectonic activities? Wooler Lake. Which plant produces seed but not fruit? Mint. The boundary between North and South Korea is marked by which line? 38th parallel. The book Around the World in 80 Days was written by which person? Jules Verne. Who got Nobel Prize for artificial synthesis of DNA? Kornberg. By whom was the antibiotic penicillin first discovered? Alexander Fleming.